In this video, I'll show you how to load booking code on Megapari. This is very easy, so subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit your $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to load booking code in Megapari, here's exactly what you have to do. The first is to come over to best sleep. Another name for best sleep is best sleep code. So you come over to best sleep and click on load best sleep and you paste what you have to use or the code you will need to use to load. So this is the booking code and click on upload. All the events under that booking code are going to show up here as you can see on my screen, and you can go ahead and place your bet. And that's how to load booking code.